A condom is a thin cover worn on the penis during intercourse. Using a condom will help prevent female partners from becoming pregnant, getting an infection spread through sexual contact, or from giving one to your partner. This includes These infections includes herpes, HIV, and warts.
Hello, trust, tapos talong, tapos bubuksan natin. Mabilis na. Tali pa natin pirasa. Trust. Then, ito. Buksan natin. And, ito po yung part na dulo. Ito yung parang ulo. Ulo. Ito, makita ko. Ito yung ulo. Tapos, medyo basa. Tapos, parang, explain ko na lang dito. Parang, ito yung ari mo, ganun. Parang, ito. Tapos, protection. Ayan. Ito yung condom. Medyo, maano pa siya. And, papasok natin dito. Ito. Ito yung ulo niya. Tapos, ito pasok dito. Pwede na ito siguro ito ipasok, diba? Ito. Pasok ko na. And, ganyan. Dito sa ulo. And, igaganon siya. Ipababa. Kasi, mahaba siya eh. Medyo mahaba siya. And, medyo maliit na nabili kong talong eh. Tapos, yan. Hanggang dito. Yan.
The advantage of using male condoms is when used consistently and correctly. Condoms are highly effective at preventing STDs such as herpes simplex virus or HSV. In addition, they can reduce the transmission of human immunodeficiency virus or HIV by 71% to 80%. They also greatly reduce the chance of pregnancy, and condom sizes range from small to extra large.
Hello, we will discuss the disadvantage of male condoms. Male condoms are highly effective and safety method of contraception and STI prevention. Like any method, they do have some potential and disadvantage. Number one, this is 6 types of disadvantage of using male condoms. Number one, reduced sensation. Some men experience a decrease in sensation during intercourse due to the barrier created by the condom. The next is allergic reaction. This is number 2. Allergic reaction. Some individual may be allergic to latex. This is the material, latex. This is material most condoms are made from. There are alternatives like polyurethane and lambskin condoms. And this is the number 3, breakage. Condom can break if not used correctly or they are damaged. May nasira na. Number 4, incorrect use. If not used correctly, condoms can be less effectively. This includes not leaving enough space at the tip, not rolling the condom down properly, or removing it before ejaculation. This is the number 5, interruption. Using a condom can interrupt the flow of intimacy and spontaneity. Spontaneity. Okay. The next is 6. This is last. Availability. Condoms may not always be readily available, especially in certain situation or location. By the way, it is important to note that these disadvantages are relatively minor compared to the benefits of using condoms. Thank you.